To those people who are in the verge of quitting, my message to you is, ayoko nang sabihin yung don't give up, yung tatagan mo lang, kayanin mo yan. Kasi, I was on that same stage. Siguro ang masasabi ko sa inyo, damdamin nyo yung problem. Indahin niyo yung problem. Huwag niyong takasan yung problem. Acknowledge it. And then, tanggapin mo lang. Namnamin mo siya. Hanggang sa maintindihan mo yung problema mo. Hanggang sa matanggap mo yung problema mo. And then, kapag natatanggap mo na yung problema mo, dun tayo mas nagiging logical, mas nakakapag-isip tayo ng ano ba yung magandang solution para sa problem na to. Pero ang piece of advice ko talaga is, acknowledge your problem, dwell with it. It's okay to be sad. But don't be too much sad na madidepress ka na. If you're sad, acknowledge it. If you're happy naman,